Greetings, beautiful souls. It is an immense pleasure for me to take you today to the beautiful city of Roma. Firstly, we're going sightseeing, visiting places like the Colosseum, the Vatican, and some other beautiful churches in Rome. Then we're gonna meet with some locals that are going to share with us their favorite things about Rome, and they're going to take us out to explore the nightlife. Then we're gonna take a promenade in the beautiful neighborhood of Trastevere, and we're gonna learn how to cook some pasta, Italian style. You guys are going to learn everything you've ever wondered about Rome in this video. Buckle up because it's going to be a crazy journey. The highlight of my trip for me was visiting the Colosseum. The Colosseum has been on my dream board for many years, so I was super excited to cross it off my bucket list. But there was a part of me that was very sad being there. Coincidentally, I wore all black that day. Sad because when I started thinking of all the injustice that happened at that place, so many people that died simply for the pleasure of others, and that didn't sit too well with me. Nonetheless, I really enjoyed learning about the history of the place. And another thing that I enjoyed was walking in the neighborhood of Trastevere. Trastevere is a neighborhood that during the day it has this village-like vibe, but at night it transforms into a social place where all like friends, families, lovers, they meet there, go out for a drink or dinner, and the neighborhood comes alive.
Italy is my home. I always tell people I think that the soul is born before your body is. And I think people have different soul ages. And I think my soul was born in Italy, in Rome. I had been in Paris working with some different designers, and then I came to Rome to do the same thing. And once I landed in Rome, I was flying in over the city, and I just kind of looked down as I was getting ready to touch down in the airplane. And I just thought to myself, I'm not going to leave. I know that this is my home, and I just felt it in my heart. I'd been to Rome before, and actually 2 or 3 times before, and it had been on my vision board since I was 15 that I knew I was going to live in Italy one day. That was my dream. What I love the most, though, is being able to walk by, like, the Colosseum at night, just like my nightly commute home after a night out or whatever, and just knowing, like seeing all the history, the monuments, and then thinking back to the people that lived here, you know, 2,000 years ago, because Rome this year turned 2,717 years old. And to me that's so cool because I'm reminded that this city has survived so much, you know, and it's been through so many years of history, good and bad. And if it has survived the test of time, this song.
I hardly see my host, like, because ever since I got here, he's been working and hanging out with his friends. And so today we're making some carbonara, which is like one of my favorite type of pasta. So watch the magic happen.
To you, baby, but nobody has to know. We can keep this between you and me. Let's keep diving deeper. Or just maybe that's impossible, possible. Oh. 'Cause we give all we can, and we share all we've got. Oh yeah, we can rely on each other. Sometimes we wake up and laugh. Or we break up and cry. And we make up, we're fine. 'Cause we belong together. Baby, you're my only. Baby, you're my only one. Baby, you're my only. Baby, you're my only one. I just need to be closer to you, baby, and I don't care if everybody knows. Oh. 'Cause now I'm ready to show the world that's what on my need. Oh. 'Cause we give all we can, and we share all we've got. Oh yeah, we can rely on each other. Sometimes we wake up and laugh. Or we break up and cry. And we make up, that's fine. 'Cause we belong together.
quand j'étais jeune. Et j'ai toujours vécu ici à Rome. Je suis à l'école française ici à Rome. Et j'ai fait toute ma vie ici à Rome. Et je suis resté à Rome parce que j'ai construit une vie ici, et je travaille ici, et j'ai tous mes amis ici et j'aime bien la vie.
Then I moved back to Rome because I had a girlfriend at the time living in Rome. My family was living in Rome, then I chose to move back to Rome as well.
It's like they say, every road leads to Rome.
Le temps, il est plus beau de toute l'Europe, il fait pas froid. L'hiver, tu as du soleil le matin et le soir, il fait un peu froid. Et du coup, c'est un peu adapté au climat au Sénégal parce qu'au Sénégal, il fait pas très chaud, il fait pas très froid. Et à Rome aussi, il fait pas très froid, il n'y a pas d'hiver. Par rapport au nord d'Italie, par rapport au nord d'Europe, par rapport à toute l'Europe. Et à Rome, c'est bien le climat, les gens, tu es toujours dehors, tu vois. C'est ça quoi.
My favorite thing about the city is the lifestyles, the weather, my roots, the places, the people.
Et ici, c'est mon bar préféré de Rome. Il y a tous les gens qui vivent au centre de Rome qui viennent ici tous les jours après le travail et tout, qui font l'apéritif ici, tu vois. Et après le dîner, ils viennent tous ici. Mais Salotto 42, c'est notre bar préféré à Rome. Parce qu'on est bien ici.
J'aime bien l'ambiance, c'est quand même sympa. Well, thank you so much guys for this chit chat. Cheers! Salute! Grazie!
Grazie a te.
Ciao! Ciao! So much fun doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments down below and I will certainly answer. Also, if you want to know about my next trip, if you want to stay connected, be sure to follow me on all my social media platforms. I just started a new Instagram page, Chica Globetrotter, which you can follow, and you can also follow my other Instagram page, Renaissance Woman 519. And you can follow me on Facebook, Chica Lagrande. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in guys. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!